we are in El Nido in Palawan, so we've moved from Port Barton. We got it this afternoon, waited to check in, just read our books and stuff, just had a nap, both of us. We're staying in Outpost, which like loads of people recommended. Casey recommended because she came last year, or 2 years ago. So we're staying here, the most overpriced hostel in the world. I'm not like, I don't want to tell you how much this room cost us per night. It's like still cheaper than a hotel room in England, but like compared to everywhere else. Oh, people are getting rowdy. Let me show you the room. I mean, it is a room, I'm doing that, but that's it. There you go. That's literally it. So Shana's just gone to ring Lahara, but we should have a nap. We're going to go watch the sunset, because apparently the sunset here is amazing, and we're just going to chill here today, do the boat tours. We stayed obviously in Port Barton, which is the last video you just saw. We stayed there for like 6 nights, I think. We're just doing 2 nights here, and then we'll maybe move to another hostel in El Nido, which is a bit cheaper, and then we're going to go to Koh Ron, and then Manila, and then Malaysia. I booked a flight home. That's in progression. Have I booked it? I tried to book it. I need to double check if it's actually booked. But yeah, if I have, I'll talk to you later. Anyway, I'm gonna go upstairs now, find Shana and watch the sunset and have a beer. Morning. It's like afternoon, not morning. We've done nothing all day as usual, and now we're at beach, which is really quiet. Just had lunch. It's just great. I'll show you. There's Shana being social. There's the beach. It's very pretty. This is my worst nightmare. With Shana's sandy feet. Oh. We're like such, wait there, so hard. We're like such typical Brits, like we literally get just our feet in the sand and every single part of the body on the towel. Whereas other people just laid in the sand, like full body in the sand, not caring the world. Oh. Anything to add to that, Rashana?
It's very, very, very hot.
It's so hot.
My legs are burning.
She's got right in the shade, but legs are burning. And the sandy feet. Get those sandy feet away from me. Oh, the fan's quite loud. We've come to Budol Thai, which is like a traditional Filipino. This is a great angle. Traditional Filipino. When it comes out, I'll show you. I'm having a mango shake. Sean's having a beer.
Always.
That's it. Show you when it comes out.
Dull.
Yeah. I think it's a camera on. That was all I wanted to tell you. You'll see it in a minute. You'll see it in about 1-2 seconds. Okay, so it's basically like rice, salad, meat, but you don't use cutlery, you use your fingers, which is my sort of food, because I'm a messy person anyway. Shauna's just doing it for the gram.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go wash our hands. Morning.
Hey.
We're going on a boat tour. We're doing the northern one, you know?
Yeah.
No. The northern one from Outpost. You will see that all right now. Enjoy. behind the scenes. Work it, girl.
Wait, can you go higher?
Higher.
I level. In fact, get
No, she's shit. Don't get her to take it. Aloha. We're on Helicopter Island, which is the second to last stop of this little tour. You've probably seen what we've done already. Obviously, we like snorkeled quite a bit, but you couldn't see that. But I took some clips of other people snorkeling. We've just been drinking rum on a boat.
Rum, beer, had a great time to be fair, met some really nice people.
She's drunk. She's very drunk. So now we're just on this little island, which is very nice, going to get some...
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
And chill.
We're not going to get ice cream. We're going to buy contraband. So yeah, let me show you. This one's our boat with the music on. Cute. They just chucked us out of the boat. Literally, like, we're here. We're here, and they're just chucked us out, making us walk. Making us walk all the way back. Look how far it is. Bloody, can you not swear on my vlog channel? My grandma watches this.
Oh, it's alright.
God, sorry, grandma. So yeah, they chucked us out here, and we've got to walk back about 1,000 miles. What's that? I just peed.
Yeah, I'm trying to pee. What's this?
Oh, I haven't really peed. I was joking. Just trying to pee.
Okay.
So we've got to walk back with our bags.
Do you mean like
Like a stonefish, like they live under the
go.
sand.
I love
So we checked out of Outpost because it was £100 for 2 nights.
it's been
That little room, and we checked into this place, which was half the price, which is still expensive for Asia. And look how much nicer it is. Like, I mean, it's basic, but well, it's not basic actually. It's really nice. We've got 2 pillows each, which is enough for me to want to live here forever. Like, a nice bathroom with an actual shower curtain. That's my boob. Half the price of Outpost. So we're still going to go there for drinks and stuff, and we met some people that we're going to go out with tonight, but for half the price, we've got 2 nights here. So now it's like, oh, my hair's coming out. It's like 5:30. So we're going to shower, go get some food, we're in town now, and then we're going to go meet the people we met today on the boat tour for some drinks. We're going out, we did a little boat tour, then we checked into the new hotel which you saw, had a little dance party, you may have saw that, depends how cringy it was. And now we're going out for food and then for drinks. I'm not taking you because...
Don't want to lose you.
No, because this is my tiny bag and this is Shauna's tiny bag and you don't fit in my bag. And also it's dark and we're probably going to get drunk. Depending how drunk we are, I might vlog on the way when we get... I mean,
We're not going to drink. We're not going to vlog when we get in. That's for real.
We'll see you tomorrow.
We're already drunk. Arrivederci. I'm Italian now.
Bon voyage! What's that?
French.
Bon voyage. Is it?
Yeah.
Is that French? Ciao. That's Italian. Ciao. 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 Good morning. Oh, it's not morning. It's like 1 o'clock. I think it's later than that. Today we are having a lay in bed day because it's so hot. So we're not going to the beach. We're going to go to the beach tomorrow, like full day. Shauna decked it yesterday.
Cleared a whole flight of stairs.
She cleared a whole flight of stairs. She'd gone to the toilet and she's coming back down and she was supposed to say, look at my new, or meet my new friends. And as she said it, she cleared about 7 steps. And the guy and the girl we were with actually were like, are you going to help her? And I was like, just laughing. I was like, I think she's okay.
Yeah, she also we were just like...
But I feel like sometimes like people laughing like it makes it less awkward. Because if I was like rushing over like, oh my god, are you okay? Like I feel like that if that was me, I'd get really embarrassed. So I was like, if I just sit here and like laugh it off silently, hopefully she'll get up and move. Then you were fine.
I did eventually.
Yeah, but she's got like a golf ball bruise. So now she can't lay on one side, which works for me because she can't face me in bed. She's just snoring in my face. So we're going to go to a coffee shop across the road. Literally across the road, get some coffee, book my flights because they haven't actually booked. So I kept saying I'm coming home, but obviously not trying to get a flight, and then come back and lay here for a bit, and then go out tonight. It's just the same as on the beach, but with aircon. There's literally no difference.
Basically.
When I'm on the beach, I just lay and read my book, so it's the same thing.
I'm so watch a film. Actually, we'll mix it up today.
Watch a film.
We'll watch a film.
I probably watch Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Okay, that's all I wanted to tell you. Just had a sink wash. Did you want to know that? Couldn't bother to have a shower. Had a sink wash. Had a shower last night, don't worry. I'm gross. It's like 10:30 at night. We've literally laid in bed all day, and then went for dinner, came back. I've edited another video. And now it's 10:30. I've just made sure to get out of bed.
Literally out of pajamas.
Taking pajamas off. We're going to get some food, some fried chicken, hopefully. But I also want sushi, so we'll see. So we're going to go get it and bring it back, so I'll show you what we get. We're also watching... What's it?
Donut off.
Donut show something. Anyway, it's about donuts. So we're gonna go. That's what's making me hungry, I think, because they're making like normal flavoured food donuts, not just like sweet donuts. So we'll see with the food. Yeah. Okay, we're back. I got sushi. Shana got Shana got literally chicken. I was gonna. Oh no, he's upside down. Oh, I mean it's all falling apart, but I'm still gonna eat it. I'm still gonna enjoy it. We're just trying to work out what day it is. I thought we left on Thursday.
It's Thursday today.
God knows. Anyway, we're going to... Morning. We're going to Las Cabanas... Well, we're at Las Cabanas Beach.
Wow.
But they've just dropped us off in the middle of this, like, derelict resort. So we're trying to find it. Like... Just... Literally dropped us off. And was like, just that way. And we've been walking for like 5 minutes. So... Found it. And also, this is the beach that Cameron Diaz was spotted at yesterday. So, I'm going to try and find Cameron. It's really cloudy, which we're happy about, because then you don't die of sunstroke. Oh, the sun's behind us. I'm not doing this again. It's the next day. We're going to Cabron. It's like 7 in the morning, so we're going to get the ferry. We'll see you there. See you next time in the next one, because I'm too tired for this. Bye! Bye!